In Basel, Switzerland, a circular tower rises above the Rhine. Inside, the governors of the world's most powerful central banks meet privately every 2 months. No minutes are published, no journalists attend, no elected government has oversight over what is decided. The institution is called the Bank for International Settlements, the BIS, and it has operated this way since 1930. In the precise legal sense, it is the most powerful financial institution in the world that almost no one talks about.
The BIS was created in 1930 to manage German reparations, but its founding charter gave it something unusual: full diplomatic immunity from all national laws, in perpetuity in all member countries. BIS officials cannot be arrested. BIS premises cannot be searched. BIS records cannot be subpoenaed by any court in any country. BIS transactions cannot be audited by any external authority. This legal architecture was established not by accident. The founders wanted a financial institution that could operate above politics.
During World War II, the BIS continued to operate normally. Its board included representatives of the German Reichsbank, the Bank of England, and the Federal Reserve simultaneously while their countries were at war. In 1939, the BIS transferred $23 million in gold belonging to Czechoslovakia to the German Reichsbank 2 weeks after Germany seized Czechoslovakia. The Bank of England explicitly asked the BIS not to do this. The BIS did it anyway. No one was prosecuted.
Today, the BIS has 63 member central banks covering 95% of world GDP. It sets the Basel Accords, international banking regulations that determine how much capital all commercial banks worldwide must hold. These regulations affect every mortgage, every business loan, every savings account, and every bank in every member country. They are set by a committee that meets privately in Basel with no public accountability. Basel III, finalized in 2017, was negotiated in private over 7 years.
The BIS owns approximately 200 tons of gold. Its financial statements are published, but they are not independently audited. The BIS audits itself. This is not a metaphor. The BIS's charter specifies that its accounts shall be audited by an independent firm, and that firm is appointed by the BIS board. The BIS's effective control over global banking regulations, combined with its self-appointed auditors and diplomatic immunity, creates an institution that is structurally exempt from any external accountability whatsoever.
The BIS is not secret. Its website is public. Its annual reports are published. What makes it remarkable is that it's hiding in plain sight. Adam Labor, who wrote the definitive book on the BIS called Tower of Basel, described it as a mechanism for removing banking policy from democratic control. That is not a conspiracy, that is the design confirmed in its charter, visible in its governance structure, and unchanged since 1930.
The next time you're told that the financial system is regulated, ask by whom. The BIS sets the capital requirements for all banks. The BIS has diplomatic immunity. The BIS audits itself. The governments that created it gave away their oversight authority in 1930 and have never gotten it back. The Basel Accords are not law. They are private agreements between central bankers that governments then implement. Nobody voted for them. Nobody can vote against them. Subscribe.